We woke up to a grey misty morning in Caithness on day 2 of our holiday. We decided to spend the morning exploring the estate, which adjoins the gatelodge. The wooded driveway was easily accessible, and at each side there were little footpaths that had been created so that you could wander among the trees and over the burn. The main house is beautiful, and it's a hotel, event space and restaurant called Forse Of Nature. Inside you'll also find a selection of local arts and crafts for sale. The family that run it have a real passion for the environment as well as home-cooked food. Look how they've done the bales. Some of them are just rigs. After lunch, we decided to take our chances and visit a very small cove 20 minutes drive north of our cottage. The map said that it was once a working harbour, and now it's a nature conservation area.
From April, the cliff tops are bright with flowers, the delicate hyacinth blue of spring squill.
Here comes the second lot of rain. The walk down to the cove was very slippery on the long grass, but it was definitely worth it to see the old harbour buildings and also the deep red boulders and cliffs. Well guys, even though it's raining, I made it down to the sea, almost to the edge of the sea. Copper's been trying to eat kelp religiously. These are the amazing cliffs. But it really is miserable today. There's my mum up there. think we might need to go back to the car because everything's getting soaked. First day in Scotland. Awesome. Awesome. Found a little crab guy. Fortunately he's dead. This is how close I am to the cliffs. Epic. Typically the rain eased off just as we were leaving. We need to go meet Alex back at the cottage. Up. And these really slippery steps down to the harbour. Like, I'd love to go and look in those sea caves. There's fulmars flying around. A couple of crabs, but it's mainly just kelp. There weren't actually many crab shells or anything.